Good day. Thank you for joining BioRugged on this virtual ID for Africa showcase. We want to show you our new products. BioRugged is a new dynamic young company that's been growing quite significantly in the past few years. We specialize in biometrics and rugged units in specific. We've done exceptionally well in 2020 with not only being able to source new products, but also manufacturing and delivering it during the lockdown period to our clients to enable our final users to continue their important work of registration and verification of the population.
For today's demonstration, we'll be focusing on two of our registration kits, namely the Mark 1 and the BioWolf 60 handheld unit. Starting with inputting of basic information. The Mark 1 is using a QWERTY keyboard in this laptop version, but can also be interchanged for other keyboards, versus the BioWolf uses its 8-inch screen and the keyboard upon that. Scanning documents like birth certificates and driver's licenses. Both the Mark 1 and the BioWolf 60 unit utilizes its 8 megapixel cameras with its own built-in light sources, using fixed parameter focusing on designated form sizes like A4 and A5 in this example enables quick and high quality scanning every time. Both units utilizes a Sony 8 megapixel camera with integrated light source to take passport quality photos. The LED lights in the light source are not only able to increase and decrease light brightness, but can also change the color from bright white to warm white to adjust to a wide variety of skin tones we have on the African continent. Fingerprints are captured with integrated biometric Kojak Fab 60 10 print finger scanner. This FBI certified scanner is environmentally rugged and works perfectly even in extreme temperatures. Readings are impervious to dirt, oil, moisture on the finger or on the film, and is not affected by bright or direct sunlight. The sign pad on the Mark 1 also doubles up as a high-definition viewing screen during registration. Client signs with a stylus pen on the Mark 1 while using their finger to sign on the BioWolf 60's touchscreen. Both units uses a high DPI thermal printer with water, oil and heat-resistant thermal paper to print out a receipt or a thermal card after registration.
Thank you for joining us on this journey. I would like to open the floor for Q&A. If you have any suggestions, comments or questions, please raise it to us now. Thank you.